Welcome, video creator. Welcome to the Video Knowledge channel. My name is Rory. Today we're going to track and picture onto an object. We're in the edit page. We're going to drag our clip down to the timeline. We're going to hop over to the color page. Here we're going to click on effects. We're going to click on the search and we want surface tracker. We're going to drag the surface tracker into our node area. We're going to click the green and drag it to the top green on our surface tracker. And we're going to connect this to here. Now we're going to click 4 points here to make a box where we want our image to go. We're going to come over here and click on mesh. The point number limit we're going to change to 150. And then we're going to track it. So we click on track. We're going to track it forward. And depending on the length of the clip and the speed of your computer will determine how long it will take. And now we're done tracking. So we're going to come over here and we're going to drag our image into the node area. We're going to connect this bottom green to this green here. We're going to connect the top blue to the bottom blue. We're going to jump over into our edit tab. And you can see that we now have the logo on the tiger and it's following as he goes. Pretty simple. That's all I have for you in this video. We'll see you in the next video. If you learned anything, please like and subscribe.